Good morning, students. Welcome back to Introduction to Trigonometry exercise 8.2. You know that we have dealt with question 1 and question 2 from exercise 8.2 on Monday. So today, Wednesday, we will be discussing question 3 and question 4 from exercise 8.2. Hope you understood the concepts dealt in question 1 clearly. We have discussed the basic concepts during the live session on Monday. So let us see question number 3 from exercise 8.2. If tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, 0 degree less than a plus b less than or equal to 90 degree, a is greater than b. Find a and b. Students, you can do this only if you are familiar with table 8.1. You should know which angle gives tan theta equal to root 3 and which angle gives tan theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Let us see the solution. The first data given to you is tan of a plus b is equal to root 3. Just go back to the table 8.1. You will see that tan 60 is equal to root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. So how can you equate a plus b is equal to 60 degree? Here you have the equation as tan a plus b is equal to tan 60. So a plus b is equal to 60 degree. Take this as the first equation. Now considering the second data given in your question, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Go back to table 8.1 in your textbook. Just find which angle gives you tan equal to 1 by root 3. You can find that tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Which angle? Tan 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. So how will you equate? Tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree. So a minus b is equal to 30 degree. So which two equations did you get here? A plus b is equal to 60 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. How will you solve this equations with two linear variables? I am using here elimination method. Now add the equation 1 and 2. We get a plus b plus a minus b is equal to 60 plus 30. Here you can see a plus a 2a, b minus b 0. So what will I get? I'll get 2a is equal to 90 degree. That is 60 plus 30 is equal to 90 degree. So what is A? A is equal to 45 degree. How did you get 45 degree? 90 divided by 2. So A is equal to 45 degree. Then how will you get B? B you will get it by substituting A equal to 45 in any of this equation. Here we are substituting in equation 1. 45 degree plus B is equal to 60 degree. Then how will you calculate B? B is 60 degree minus 45 degree. So what is the answer? 15 degree. You have a condition that A is greater than B. So here A is equal to 45 b is equal to 15. Is that clear to you, children? So, if you want to do this problem, you have to study table 8.1 in your textbook thoroughly. Now, let us see the next problem. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. Students, listen the problems very clearly, because in your notebook I'll be giving you only true or false. Justification only for 1 or 2 sentences I'll give you. So make sure that you understand the concepts clearly in the video. Now, sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. Here is your answer. The statement is false. Sin of A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Let us see by taking A equal to 30 degree and B equal to 60 degree. So what is sin A plus B if A is 30 degree and B is 60 degree? If we add 30 plus 60, we'll get 90. So here when you take this, we can say that sin 90 degree should be equal to sin 30 plus sin 60. Let us calculate. What is sin 90? Sin 90 is 1, that you know. So let us see what is sin A. If A is equal to 30 degree, we can write sin A as sin 30 degree. If B is equal to 60 degree, we can write sin B as sin 60 degree. What is sin 30 degree? Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2. Now, what is 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2? It is 1 plus root 3 by 2. 1 plus root 3 by 2. Okay, 1 plus root 3 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. Is this same 1 and here 1 plus root 3 by 2 and 1? No. From this example, we can say that sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. What is the conclusion? Sin A plus B is not equal to sin A plus sin B. Next, we have 2 questions. The value of sin theta increases as theta increases, and the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. For this question, to know whether it is true or false, what you have to do is go through the values of sin theta. Can you tell me what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. And sin 90 is 1. So, if theta increases from 0 to 90, that is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90, the value of sin theta also increases. Don't worry, I'll show you the slide. See, here the angles increases 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. What happens to the value? 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. The value of sin also increases. So what is the conclusion? When the value of theta increases, the value of sin also increases. Let's see what happens to cos theta. Here the angle is increasing 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. The angle theta is increasing. Is the value of cos theta also increasing? No. What happens? 1 to 0. The value of cos theta is decreasing when the angle theta increases. So what is the inference? If the angle theta increases, cos theta decreases. If angle theta increases, sin theta also increases. So sin theta increases directly and cos theta decreases inversely. Clear? Two more questions. Sin theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. Here the statement says that if you take a particular angle theta, both the sine value and the cos value will be same for all values of angle theta. Is that correct, children? If sine theta and cos theta are same, why do you have to learn a big chart called table 8.1 in your textbook? So, sin theta and cos theta is not equal in all the cases, but for sure it is equal when theta is equal to 45 degree. That is, angle is pi by 4. The condition of sin theta is equal to cos theta holds true only when theta is equal to 45. You know that sin theta 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree is also 1 by root 2. Hope the concept is very clear. Next, cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. So you need to prove that cot 0 degree is not defined. Students, can you tell me what is the description of cot A? Here you can see that cos A by sin A. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. What is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. 1 by 0. Any number divided by 0 is not yet defined. What did I tell you? Any number divided by 0 is not yet defined. So, cot 0 is not yet defined. So, this is the last question for exercise 8.2. Hope you understood the concepts very clearly. Students, please make sure that you learn the table 8.1 from your textbook. Then the properties which I told you, that is the conjugate multiplication. Here today's concept, that is true or false. Equating tan A plus B is equal to root 3, that question also. So thank you children. See you next time.